Hi everyone, I'm very sorry for the long absence on YouTube channel, but now I'm ready to come back to you with my new videos about my new products. So during my long absence I created a lot of new clip arts and of course new collections of digital stickers. Today I want to show you the latest set created for February and for Valentine's Day. The set includes more than 30 elements, and this one, and also it's available in a dark skin tone version, and I will show you how these elements look in my planner. I'll create my personal layout for weekly and monthly layout, so you can see how these beautiful elements look like. Okay, let's start. I have this planner, gray modern planner. It's available on my Etsy store as well. We need to slide over like this, and start to add these beautiful elements to decorate our planner. So this is a GoodNotes file where all stickers are pre-cropped, so you can easily drag and drop to your planner page. So I want to do my weekly layout more romantic and pinkish, and I want to create some Valentine mood. So this beautiful envelope, maybe here, and I create some beautiful pieces of chocolates and sweets. I think it will be perfect for Valentine's Day. So you can have fun to play with these elements as you wish. Okay, and I guess one more. Something like this, and for dinner I want to have a lot of sweets. I don't want to cook dinner on Valentine's Day. So I love how these colors, these pink colors look. So they match perfectly with each other. And of course, love. We need to add some love here. Yes, that's pretty. And one more chocolate. and of course 2 glasses of wine for our dinner, for our romantic dinner. So if you can see, it's easy to decorate your planner page with these elements, and yeah, I like it, how it look like. Hope you like them too. Here are a lot of different elements, beauties, and also we have the second page with another elements. Maybe I add some flowers, of course. Maybe here, yes, some flowers and maybe gifts. Of course, gifts. And maybe here we can add some more little pieces. I like these sweets. This pretty good. And that's it. I like it. Maybe I'll add another elements a little bit later, but that's all for today. If you like my products, please subscribe to the channel, leave your comments and like. Your feedback is very important to me. It motivates me and helps me to develop further. So these Valentine stickers you can purchase on Etsy in my store. You can find the link in the description of this video. So hope you like them too as much as me, and you can create such beautiful layouts, maybe even better, more. So I want to go ahead and decorate your planner for holidays. I hope you love my new artworks. Please check my Etsy shop, and you'll find a lot of new products, GoodNotes stickers, and another clip arts, and so on. So I will be happy to see you in my shop. So that's all for today. I'm going to create more such videos with my new products, so you'll be able to see how they look exactly in planner. So I guess it will help you to do the right choice to buy these stickers or not. So please share your feedback. Do you need such videos with with my new products. And I'm always so open for your suggestions. So thank you for your support, and see you next video. Bye.